Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Remote Play Together. This feature lets you invite friends to play local multiplayer games with you online, even if they don't own the game themselves. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main configuration panel where you can adjust various features and preferences. In the Settings window, look at the left panel where you'll see a list of different categories. Click on In-Game to access the overlay and gameplay-related settings. This section controls how Steam interacts with your games while you're playing them. Now, in this section, look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Make sure this is turned on, as the overlay is essential for accessing Remote Play Together while you're in a game. The overlay allows you to access Steam's social features without leaving your game. Next, scroll down and look for Overlay shortcut keys. This is where you can check or customize the keyboard combination that opens the Steam overlay. The default setting is Shift+Tab, which is what most players use. If you want to change this shortcut to something more comfortable for you, simply click on Shift+Tab, then press your preferred key combination. Once you've set your new shortcut, click Confirm to save it. Now, it's important to verify that the overlay is also enabled for the specific game you want to play. To do this, click Library in the upper left corner to view your game collection. Find the game you want to use for Remote Play Together, then right-click on the game title in the upper left and select Properties. In the Properties window, look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and make sure it's turned on. This ensures the overlay works properly for this particular title. With everything configured, go ahead and launch the game you want to play with your friend. Once the game is running and you're in the main menu or gameplay, press Shift+Tab to open up the Steam overlay. This brings up Steam's interface over your game. At the bottom of the overlay, you'll see several icons. Click on the Friends icon to open your friends list. This shows all your online contacts. Now, right-click on the friend you want to invite to Remote Play Together, and from the menu that appears, select Remote Play Together. Keep in mind that not all games support this feature, so if you don't see the Remote Play Together option, it means your current game isn't compatible with this feature. And that's how you set up and use Steam Remote Play Together to enjoy local multiplayer games with your friends online. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.